Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad, and today in this video I want to talk about all the new information that's been released on the Star Wars Galactic Cruiser Hotel over at Hollywood Studios. At the Virtual Education Conference Expo, there's been a lot more information released on the Star Wars Hotel. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, I'm Josh Tomorrow.
The chairman of Disney Parks Experience and Products, Josh Tomorrow, offered a preview of what to expect at this new attraction. Also talked about at the expo, we're building on some of the popular franchise projects, including the Vendors Campus at Disneyland and Disneyland Paris, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, all supposed to open in the next year or two. But the most anticipated part of this preview was the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser Hotel at Disney World Resorts in Florida. The latest look reaffirms the attraction as a completely new type of experience that invites guests to become a hero in their own Star Wars adventure. When guests will arrive for their stay at this hotel at Walt Disney World, they will go through a special terminal before they are ushered into a launch pad that will blast them into space towards Halcyon. When Disney's first Star Wars themed hotel opens, hopefully in 2021, once you step on this launch pad into space, it'll feel like you're there for your whole trip. Where the Star Wars Rise of Resistance attraction within Galaxy's Edge changes the game when it comes to how immersive theme parks rides can be, the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser Hotel is set to change the rules when it comes to theme park hotels. Entering the atrium of the Starcruiser Hotel, guests will be instantly immersed in an experience in a galaxy far, far away. Accommodations are modeled like cabins of a Starcruiser that sleep up to 5 and serve as areas of rest for a variety of activities for adults and kids. The stay also features an excursion of the planet Batuu to visit the Black Sphere Outpost in Galaxy's Edge. Along the way, there'll be windows above you that show stars and the Starcruiser in the distance. You will no longer see Central Florida at all. The magic of technology will completely immerse you in what should look like and sound like space. Looking out from the pod, we see plenty of features to be excited about, like window monitors that seem to be interactive, display information like your family and different things that you can do. Underneath could be storage or other hidden goodies. Disney has even found a way to fold the HVAC system into the theming with cool vents on the exterior of the wall. Where we would normally find a hotel window, you see a view of the galaxy flying by as you're on your journey. Given previous reports and rumors, we expect the view to change during your journey with a few friends like Chewbacca flying by. Kids and adults alike will follow in Luke's footsteps and train with lightsabers. And during the voyage, they'll be allowed to explore the mechanics of the ship and may even find hidden spots where the crew hold meetings. After all that hard work, there's a place to relax called the Silver Sea Lounge. Now, we don't know exactly how many rooms will be available at this hotel, but we're guessing it to be around 100. Let's pause for a minute and digest how small that would be. Disney's Caribbean Beach has around 2,000 rooms, and even the more compact deluxe hotels, such as the Contemporary, still ring in more around 600 rooms. And just for clarity, even though the largest hotels at Disney World sell out regularly. How much will it cost? Well, we don't exactly know, but here's some of the numbers that we're guessing. A Disney theme park ticket generally costs about $130 per day per person. A deluxe Disney hotel can easily cost $400 to $500 per night. Meals at Disney could cost $100 per person per day if you have at least one character or signature dining experience. We wouldn't be shocked if a cabin for a family of 4 cost more than $3,000 for a 2-night journey if they would go in an all-in number. Now obviously we aren't 100% on this, but some are predicting that the journey could be anywhere from $7,000 to $8,000 for a family. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll stay closer to $1,000 per night for family. Again, not unlike a Disney cruise, but we're not expecting this to be a budget-friendly experience. Though we're not certain of every detail of this new Star Wars themed hotel, we can be certain that it's going to be like nothing you've ever experienced when it comes to Disney World hotels. That being said, the simple supply and demand being a smaller hotel, it's going to cost a pretty penny. But I can promise you it won't be like any other immersive experience you'll ever have. I hope all this information helps you guys make a decision whether you'd want to stay there or not. I'll keep giving you guys updates for videos like this for the Star Wars themed hotel and a whole bunch of other stuff at Disney World and Disneyland. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.